Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. If you're interested in starting a fall garden, now is the time to start. Although there is still a small window for some of the warmer season crops like tomatoes and peppers, now is the time to plant longer lasting cool season crops. These varieties are generally heat sensitive and prefer the cool days of fall, winter, and early spring to produce their best crops. Beets, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage and kale, cauliflower, collards, mustard, spinach, turnips, all should be planted now. Also, continue planting crops like lettuce and radishes that you can grow and harvest here almost all year long. And don't forget about carrots, onions, and peas that are great to plant right now. Most cool season veggies are adapted to the cold, but be flexible and prepare to protect your young plants from extreme cold and wind if necessary. When amending vegetable beds, use a good quality organic material like Dr. Q's vegetable and herb mix. To keep soil fresh and viable, use a fresh layer of organic mulch each time you plant a new crop. Also, use a good layer on top of the soil to conserve moisture, discourage weeds, and insulate the surface roots. Add Dr. Q's Gold Dust Starter Fertilizer according to package directions a day or so before planting. After your plants are established, use the right fertilizers for what you're trying to grow. Leaf crops need lots of nitrogen. Roots and fruit crops, like carrots and peas, need less nitrogen and more phosphorus and potassium. A good general garden choice is Dr. Q's vegetable and tomato food. Regular fertilizing along with good soil is the key to good fruit production. And what about herbs for your fall garden? Nearly all herbs bring fragrance and beauty to the home and garden. These versatile plants can be grown almost anywhere. Most varieties can be grown nearly year-round in portable containers or in the yard. During times of exceptionally cold weather, bring your portable herb gardens indoors to extend the life and productivity of your plants. Right now is the best time for selecting and planting your fall herbs and vegetables. We have a great selection of cool season plants and seeds available now. For more information on fall gardening, pick up our free Star Notes number 200 and 215 at any Star location or at starnursery.com. While you are there, check out this week's specials like Dr. Q's 100% tomato, vegetable, and herb food. 4-pound bags, just $7.99 each. And remember, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.